Hi everyone, I am Ankit Jaiswal, analytical and electronics engineer with over 4 years of hands-on experience in fields. Here is on GPIO. In this lecture, we will learn about the controlling GPIOs of Arduino Uno. In previous videos, we learned about the code structure and peripherals. So in this lecture, we will talk about the controlling the GPIO of Arduino. Let's start. You can see my screen. This is the pinouts of Arduino Uno, and you can see this is the LED built-in, which is connected to PV5, and the pin PV5 is here. So now we are going to control this LED. This PV LED is here. You can see there is written over L. Now we are going to add some line of code by which this LED going to blink on a specific interval. Remember, this is our code structure. Let's define first of all what is our pin number. The H things defined differences are written over there. As defined. That is a 5. Let's see. 5. But that is a PV port is the port pin 5, which is controlled by D13, pin 13. So I written over there, instead of 5 I written there 13 and save. Now we need to first of all initialize the pins. For that we use pin mode. Pin mode is a function which used for give the direction of pin, whether it is input pin or output pin. So we know the LED is an output device because it's giving the output to the real world. So add pin number, and you can see the definition. This is the pin number, that is unsigned 8, and there is mode, that is the input or output mode. So let's call this here comma output. That's the direction. Okay. Now let's toggle the pin. For toggling the pin, there's very simple logic I have written there. That is first of all digital write. Let's see what is the digital write. This function is write on this function is a helper function which is given in our Arduino.h file. This is because of writing any pin. If I want to write a I on any pin, just give the pin number first. Remove a pin number and the value is I. Then delay. What is the specific time interval we want to use for blinking. Just suppose I want every second blink, so I use here LED in interval, that is 1000. Copy this and paste here, and I copy these lines and paste here, and this glow. let's see how code is going to work. First of all, code start with setup. Now when code is start running, the first call is setup, and setup will be check and direct the direction of GPIO, just like this output or input. This decision factor is taken by pin mode. Now loop is like repetitive work which is repeat with the time interval, specific time interval. Just we enter in this loop. First of all, what he say, it hide the pin, and it will hide the pin. Then loop the digital there will be a delay. It will hold the CPU for 1 second. That is 1000, because this is the delay function is taken the value in millisecond. So I give the 1000 millisecond. That means 1 second. 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. Okay. 1 second hold. Now again it's off the LED. Off the LED, and 1 second, one more delay, and again now its LED is off. Now again LED is on after 1 second. Again after 1 second hold, and then 1 second again off state. So it is the repeated work. Okay, let's see is it working or not. First of all, let's compile the code. Just wait for the initialize the platform.core. Take some time. Slide. Let's in the terminal. The building. Let's build the code. Just press the compilation button, build button, started building. You can see the building process began and build it successfully. Now I flash this code. Now you can see the pin is now blinking. Thank you guys. We use the macro. What is the macro? If you don't know what is macro, then you can refer to our CC series 2 lectures, or thank you guys. I hope you understood what I am done here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss my next videos. Thank you guys.